Fairies Lily need a total. 这有个括号的它的名字 Lily ONA tag on. Okay, so here we go to show you my guess this one how to make. I was thinking that with a baby foot. Oh, baby foot. Oh, I understand it's just a foot. 好像有没有宝宝的 foot? Here is folded like this. Okay, like this way. Dinosaur we have dinosaur. Dinosaur the colorful. You search dinosaur you will find it. FOOT. Baby foot we have in the shop. Senna blue we have baby foot. Yeah, I remember. We have. Okay. We have a baby foot in the shop. Ah, yes. So, when is the last day to pay before your holiday? February 7 or February 9. I will go back hometown on February 10. So you can pay it on February 9. Yeah. Thank you. So here, bend the shape. Here. This one I bend it smaller. Here. Okay, so here is the way that's to make the flower, the shape. How long are you going to be gone? About 2 weeks. About 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks gone and we'll be back home after 16加7 about 24. Yeah, we'll be back on about 24. So it's like this, and then use the wire to bend the piece of the loop two sides. Yeah, here is folded here and folded here. Then we cut. Okay, after cut it, just make the loop here. Okay. So it's like this way. And the small one, you just make it small and with the loop hang on this hook. Okay, let me see. Fairies, your total is 22. Your total box 22 here. With the black tree, black necklace, and infinity charm. Black necklace, infinity charm, and this is a gift. And this one is the wire for the big ball. For the big ball here, 22. Okay, check my first video. You will understand how to combine the live order with the shop order. Okay, thank you. 22. Yeah. After you paid, come back to live streaming, get the free gift. Okay, here. Then we go to make the small one. Small one is the same technique. Do you sell those white sheer beads? Yes, white sheer beads. Let me show you. You just search the sheer job. Let me check. Sheer beads. Let me check what's the name. Sheer charm 那个名字叫 sheer charm。 sheer charm. You just search sheer charm, you will find it. Sheer charm, and it's behind. Yeah, it's with two sides, a big, a long one, a short one. Sheer charm on the third page. Yeah, okay. So here fold and fold it, make it smaller, because we want to make the top smaller sides, and by hand fold it here. Here. Tight. So it's this way, and cut this part a little bit longer. Okay, it's here about 1.2 centimeter. Then we will going to attach the two together. So one piece you fold at this way, and this side fold opposite. Okay. Here. Fold it. Okay. Here. This way. Okay. This is like here. The size of the wire is 1 millimeter. So it's make the two frame like this, top and bottom, the three petal flower is like here. And this one is a good charm to use as a clasp, a hook, a nice hook, make it the vintage look. Yeah, we always use this way to make a nice clasp or nice hook for earring. Yeah. When you have a piece, two loop here, and you don't know how to attach on the hook earring, then attach with a small piece like this will be help. Yeah, so this one is make a vintage look like this here. Thank you. So